Zuzu, and welcome to the Bible Flicks. Today we're reading The Green Lunch. A green lunch. Do you know what a green lunch is? No, it isn't green beans and broccoli. A green lunch is a lunch that doesn't leave behind plastic wrapping or other non-reusable packaging that can end up in our landfills. A green lunch is earth-friendly. Bring it green. Some packaged drinks aren't earth-friendly. The packages or containers are made from plastic that can't be recycled. You can be earth-friendly by packing reusable containers in your lunch. A thermos is one kind of a reusable container you can use again and again. Fruit, vegetables, and sandwiches that are packed in reusable containers are good choices for green lunches. Can you think of other foods that would be a good choice for a green lunch? Buy it green. Even if you buy your lunch at school, you can still have a green lunch. Many schools have earth-friendly lunchrooms. A green lunchroom uses reusable dishes, cloth napkins, and silverware. Green lunchrooms have recycle bins and compost bins. Leftover food that is put into the compost bin decomposes and turns into plant food. If your school doesn't have a green lunch program, you can help get one started. Think green. Get going with green lunches. Talk to your parents and principal about green lunches. Make a poster that shows what a green lunch looks like. Pack green lunches to show your friends how easy it is to be earth-friendly. Green lunches are healthy for you and the earth. What's in your lunch today? The end. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.